Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to look fabulous on a lazy day with minimal effort? Well, today, we're diving into a natural makeup for lazy days. That's perfect for keeping it simple yet chic. This look is all about enhancing your natural beauty with minimal effort and products. In this video, I'll show you how to transform from a bare-faced look to a natural makeup look with ease. This makeup transformation is beginner-friendly, so no worries if you're new to makeup. Before we dive in, this tutorial is from a popular channel on Bilibili, known for its amazing beauty content and easy-to-follow makeup tutorials. Be sure to check them out for more beauty inspiration. Before applying makeup, it's crucial to start with a clean and moisturized face. In this video, she begins by thoroughly cleansing her face to remove any dirt, oil, and impurities. She then applies a primer. Primer is a game changer in makeup routines as it creates a smooth canvas for foundation. It helps to fill in pores and fine lines, making the skin look more even. Additionally, primer extends the longevity of your makeup, ensuring it stays put throughout the day. She also uses a nourishing treatment gel from a Chinese brand to give her skin an extra boost of hydration. Moving on to the foundation, she chooses a lightweight, buildable foundation that offers a natural finish. She applies it evenly across her face using a beauty blender, which helps to blend the product seamlessly into the skin. The key here is to use a damp beauty blender and dab the foundation instead of dragging it across the face, which prevents streaks. For concealer, she opts for a shade that is slightly lighter than her foundation. She applies it under the eyes, on the forehead, and any other areas needing extra coverage. Blending the concealer well ensures that there are no harsh lines and that it looks natural. Concealer not only hides imperfections but also highlights certain areas, giving the face a lifted look. Using a liquid contour, she creates shadow areas around the nose, cheeks, and jawline. Contouring can seem intimidating, but it's all about placement and blending. She applies a small amount of product under the cheekbones, along the sides of the nose, and on the jawline to create definition. The goal is to enhance the natural structure of the face. Blending is crucial here to avoid any harsh lines and to ensure a seamless transition between the contoured areas and the rest of the face. For the eyeshadow, she uses a palette with brown tones, but you can easily replace this with any palette in similar shades. First, she applies a base eyeshadow color over her eyelids and blends it out using a fluffy brush. This base color helps to even out the eyelid and creates a smooth surface for the other colors to blend into. Next, she uses a medium brown shade and applies it to the crease of her eyelid. This step adds depth and dimension to the eyes, making them look more defined. Then, she takes a darker brown shade and applies it to the outer corners of the eyes, blending it inwards. This adds further definition and creates a subtle smoky effect. She finishes with eyeliner, carefully drawing a line along the upper lash line to define the eyes. For a softer look, she simply uses the dark brown eyeshadow from her palette as eyeliner. This method gives a more natural appearance compared to liquid or gel eyeliner. She curls her lashes using an eyelash curler to give them a lift. Curling your lashes opens up the eyes and makes them look more awake. She then applies a coat of mascara to enhance the length and volume of her lashes. Mascara is a must-have as it defines the eyes and makes them stand out. Then, she uses a pair of tweezers to apply false lashes. False lashes can be a bit tricky to apply at first, but with practice, it becomes easier. She waits for the lash glue to become tacky before placing the lashes as close to the natural lash line as possible. To blend the false lashes with her natural ones, she applies another coat of mascara and also this liquid eyeliner, but you can replace it with any eyeliner. For a cat eye effect, she applies a dark brown eyeshadow to the corners of her eyes. To open up her eyes, she draws a few lines with eyeliner below her lower lash line. This method, often called tight lining, creates the illusion of bigger eyes and makes the lash line look fuller. She focuses on brushing the eyebrows upwards with an eyebrow brush to give them a natural, fluffy look. She sets the brows in place with a clear or tinted brow gel to ensure they stay put throughout the day. Then, she uses an eyebrow pencil to shape and fill in any sparse areas. When filling in the eyebrows, she uses light, feathery strokes to mimic the natural hair. This technique ensures that the eyebrows look natural and not overly drawn. Blush adds a healthy flush to the face, giving it a youthful and fresh appearance. She applies blush to the apples of her cheeks, blending it towards the temples. This placement lifts the face and adds a natural glow. Additionally, she applies a touch of blush above her eyebrows, on her nose, and on the tip of her chin. Using a contour powder, she defines her nose, cheekbones, and jawline. Contouring with powder is easier to control and blend compared to cream products. Highlighter is applied to the high points of her face, such such as the cheekbones, brow bone, and the bridge of the nose. Highlighter gives the skin a radiant and glowing finish, making it look healthy and vibrant. She uses a fan brush to apply the highlighter, which helps in distributing the product evenly and creating a natural glow. She finishes her makeup with a matte lipstick that complements her natural look. She chooses a nude that enhances her natural lip color, but you can also use a pink shade. Before applying lipstick, don't forget to exfoliate your lips and apply a lip balm to keep them hydrated. This step ensures that the lipstick goes on smoothly and lasts longer. For a more defined look, use a lip liner to outline your lips before filling them in with the lipstick. Lip liner helps to prevent the lipstick from feathering and gives the lips a more polished appearance. And there you have it. A simple, natural makeup look that's perfect for lazy days, but still makes you look effortlessly chic. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.